Alright guys, I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. And yes, I'm at school, by the way. 3, 2. I always wanted to do this. Get out of this place. It's on fire. Alright, so we're out here. And I just got called to the principal's office. Let's go. What was it, mister? Bro, I don't want to tell you. Did you pull the fire alarm? Alright, fine, I did. Just know, never do this at school. Alright, like and subscribe if you want me to get out of jail. Oh my God. No! No, I want my phone back. No. Come on, give me back my